I still remember I took the name Shiv Shankar Bholenath, pass kara dena, and I was like zoom just like a Tarzan. And beach mein I left the rassa and I fell flat on the ground, taking the JCO along with me. We as women face problems like periods also ho rahe hain, and I also face this issue because I was leading the team during one of the camps and I had my periods going on. The combat literally was drenched, but still carrying on. Why do you enjoy studying with Mama?
Because she loves me a lot.
To be in the army, you have to be a fighter, but sometimes the enemy is not what you expect. Today we meet Lieutenant Colonel Amarjeet Kaur Gulati, who had to fight societal structures and mindsets in order to establish herself in the army, educate her special needs child, and deal with the various other curveballs that life throws in one's way. Lieutenant Colonel Amarjeet Kaur Gulati.
It's a heavy name.
Ma'am, you served more than 21 years in the army.
Yeah.
And you don't come from a military background, but your brother was in the Air Force and he wasn't convinced someone like you could join the army.
Yeah.
And you took this choice, you took this unusual path at a time most women wouldn't choose it. So what motivated you to go there?
I was always an overweight child. So I was studying in AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, and it so happened that I saw this form, do you have it in you? And they were inviting women cadets to be inculcated into the army. And at that time, since I was in a very academic oriented university, so what was happening, we were filling forms for PhD also, we were filling forms for IS also, the bank probationary officers also. But somehow I got stuck in this. And why I got stuck in this? Because here your whatever degrees you had obtained, whatever your mark sheets were of value. Because they were not asking you to attach any bank draft, nothing, just your mark sheets. So I felt so good कि आपकी जो पढ़ाई है, जो आपने academically किया है, that holds so much of value in such an organization.
What was your father's reaction? You made it sound very like he was open to you joining the army.
My father, out of his own brothers, he was 6 brothers and 2 sisters, he was the only one who took on education. Because he believed that education is one thing which can change the world. So he was the one who had gone to AMU. He did his engineering from there on scholarship, and he always wanted his children to grow. And one of the main reasons why he wanted his daughter to grow was, if you remember the times during Indira Gandhi's massacre, so what happened, since we were Sardars at that time. So my Buaji lost her husband during that event because he was burnt alive. And somewhere down that, my father just felt that I have to keep my children in such a situation that they don't have to depend upon anybody. Because my Buaji became dependent. She didn't have that education. So my father took it that my daughter need not be dependent upon anything, for anything, on anybody.
So ma'am, from an overweight youth to an officer in olive green, can you talk about that transformation? How difficult was it?
Here I would like to tell you a small incident about SSB. What happens, you have 3 different kinds of tests which you have to undergo. The group task tests, a personal interview, and an SSB in which you have psychological testing. So psychological testing, they give you thematic appreciation tests. They show you a picture in which you have to write a story within a certain time limit. So they are able to guess what kind of a psychological personality you are. In the group tasks, you get given certain command tasks to test your leadership skills. And the physical test, I still remember that JCO telling me, ये drum है बेटा, ये drum का 1 number है, ये जो है balancing वाला, इसका 3 number है, और जो Tarzan swing है उसका 10 number है. And I was like, 10 number hai, so let me start from this. And you won't believe, I had never done all these things in my life. And I just went on that Tarzan swing, and I was standing there holding that rope, and I was just thinking, ऊपर जाके लगा कि डर तो लगा, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ हाइट एंड मुझे लगा अब नीचे कैसे आऊँ, बट ये था कि पीछे मुड़ के नहीं जाना. सो आई सेड, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई टुक द नेम शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ, पास करा देना. एंड आई वॉज लाइक जूम जस्ट लाइक अ टार्जन, एंड बीच में आई लेफ्ट द रस्सा because I couldn't hold it on. I didn't know how to do it. I left that and I fell flat on the ground, taking the JCO along with me. And that JCO was like, खुद को तो तोड़ा ही, मेरे को भी तोड़ा. And we were all in whites, dressed in whites, and natural है वो पूरा मिट्टी मिट्टी हो गया. I started bleeding a little bit, but कोई नहीं, झाड़ा उठे स्टाइल में. And I was like, चलो अब ड्रम करते हैं. So then the GTO told me, कोई नहीं, आप इधर आ जाओ, यू प्लीज सेट. सो आई वॉज लाइक, यार ये तो गलत हो गया, मतलब ही इज़ नॉट आस्किंग मी टू कंप्लीट माई टास्क. सो ही जस्ट सेड वन थिंग, ही सेड आई सीन वट एवर आई वॉन्टेड टू सी, नाउ यू प्लीज़ कम एंड सिट हियर. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, नहीं नहीं सर, मैं दोबारा कर दूँगी. मुझे लगा कि लाइक आई हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल द टास्क, देन ओनली माई नंबर्स विल बी कैलकुलेटेड. But he said, no, I have seen whatever I wanted to see, now you can come and sit with me. The personal interview is taken by a brigadier level officer. I have this habit of sitting like this, not too much of hand moving and all that. So they put a chair distant from the officer who's conducting the interview so that they can see your body attitude also as to how you are moving your hands and everything. So then he asked me normal questions, and then once he asked me, क्या सोच के बेटा आपने सोचा कि what motivated you to join the army, and do you have someone in the army? And I was very crystal clear and crisp when I answered. No jhoot, no lies. I told him, no sir. Before coming to this institute, I did not even know what army was, because I don't have any knowledge about it, excepting my brother who's in Air Force. But uske saath bhi I do not have too much of relation, in the sense ki he comes and debriefs me about that. So it was just when I came here, I saw, and what motivated me, that once the form was being filled, you did not even ask me to attach any postal order, because at that time money was definitely a criteria. For every form we had to ask money from our parents. So I felt so good that my marks are being realized here. So I was very truthful. I did not hide anything, and maybe that thing made the brigadiers are very happy, and I got through.
So ma'am, more than 21 years in service, were there still teething troubles at that time, infrastructure wise, and were there gender barriers that you had to face and, you know, cross those hurdles?
Infrastructure wise, I will say no, because the Officer Training Academy had already seen 13 batches. So they were accustomed to it, and we had a total battalion to ourselves. So correction, we had a total company to ourselves. Now there is a battalion. That time we had a company, Zojila company. So we had 2 platoons in that, Zojila 1 and Zojila 2. We were 54 lady cadets in my batch. And I did not find any gender bias or something. In fact, the JCO used to be ruthless with us the same way he used to be with the gentlemen officers. मतलब हमें भी उतना ही रगड़ा खाया है जितना उन लोगों ने खाया है, और उनके सामने ही हम रगड़े खाते थे. इट वॉज नॉट दैट दे यूज टू थिंक यार ये लेडीज़ हैं तो इनको अलग से ले जाके रगड़ा खाओ. कुछ गलत किया आपने ड्रिल स्क्वायर के ऊपर या परेड ग्राउंड के ऊपर, वहीं पे यू आर ऑन योर फोर्स. एंड चेन्नई की गर्मी एंड दैट चारकोल वाला सड़क, एंड वी स्टिल रिमेंबर ऑन आवर ओल्ड फोर्स डूइंग lots of things, but then we used to smile on the corners also, because we used to enjoy doing it also. But I still remember we as women face problems like periods also ho rahe hain, and I also faced this issue because I was leading the team during one of the camps, and I had my periods going on. The combat literally was drenched, but still carrying on कि ख़त्म करना है, 40 किलोमीटर रूट मार्च ख़त्म करना है. And your coursemate motivating you कि अमर तू कर सकती है. And I still remember putting that gun on my shoulders and just walking कि किसी तरह से ये complete करना है. So as a team also that team effort is also there, that bonhomie is there, and the people around you, the officers who are training you, the JCOs who are training you, you can call them gurus, but they also keep motivating you.
So ma'am, coming to your services now, what kind of challenges did you face there, and how did you overcome them?
I faced a lot of crisis issue, in the sense that my mother was diagnosed with cancer. So her treatment was being done in Delhi, but since my brother was also in a different situation, he was looking after his wife's mother who had come to take care of their child but met with an accident. So I took on this opportunity to take care of my parents, because when they did not differentiate between their children, now was the time to give back to them and not differentiate कि मैं तो लड़की हूँ, मैं क्यों करूँ, आपका फ़र्ज़ बनता है. So that differentiation was not there, and my parents came with me. But incidentally, mishap happened during that tenure. My father slept in the bathroom, and within 13-14 days we lost him. And incidentally, we were expecting that mummy will go because she was a 4th stage cancer patient. But it was he who went, hale and hearty. And after that, 7 months exactly after that, I lost my mother. But still, I can't tell you, Deepavali, the way the army stands for you, it is worth seeing. But it gives me goosebumps right now also speaking of those days. During those times, you don't know what to do. I have 2 small children. My mother, who's a cancer patient, and my father expires. I really don't know what to do, because my brothers will take time to come from Bombay, to come from Ghaziabad. He was posted in Ghaziabad at that time. Coming from there, there's a single flight to Bagdogra. So we had to keep him into the mortuary for 2 days by the time my brothers could arrive to that location. But my CEO had arranged for everything. How he will go, how things will be taken care of. And a very, very touching incident which happened is my CEO asked my mother on the day the rasam had to be done कि I hope इनकी कोई आखिरी इच्छा नहीं थी of my father. So my mother said he always wanted कि मेरे बच्चे फौज में हैं तो मैं फौजी बैंड बाजे के साथ विदा हूँ. And my CEO was like, I know it is difficult how to arrange for a band at such a last moment. मतलब 1 घंटे में आपने जाके फ्यूनरल करना है, how is it possible? But never say die. Again, my CEO said हो जाएगा. And you won't believe, we had children who were learning how to play the band, dressed in immaculate attires, and they came. And it was such a touching feeling, that band leading the procession. मतलब I felt कि इससे अच्छा उनका funeral कभी हो नहीं सकता था.
Ma'am, coming to the next challenge in your life, so the military's prepared you for challenges, but then once you became a mother, you had another challenge before you. You had a special needs child.
Yeah.
So does the toughness of the military help when you're dealing with a child who has special needs and you're confronting the society's apathy, general apathy towards a child like that, or the system, you're encountering? How did you handle all that?
India is very back as far as diagnosis and everything is concerned for a special child. It took me a lot of challenge to have him diagnosed. It took me a lot of inclusiveness लाने के लिए मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी उसके लिए. When he was studying in Dinjan, so where it was basically diagnosed that he definitely has autism. Before that, we were feeling that he is having this disability, but we were not sure about it. So we were having testing, and testing procedures in India are also not very clearly and crisply laid out. So I took this opportunity. I came to Delhi, had him diagnosed, went back, and where he was studying, there definitely the teachers are not trained to handle such children. But we talk of inclusivity, that such children, CBSE has mandated that such children will be included in the curricula. So we did not have any teachers there. And I remember the teachers calling me because he was not performing. So डांट तो खाती थी मैं हर बार जाके. So that time I was also prepared. I said ठीक है चलो, let me go. And when I went there, I just told the teachers there, मैंने कहा today I have not come as an officer. I have come as a mother of a child. I also have my concerns. So today I just want to ask you, is there no one who can take this challenge here of teaching him? And there is, I can take the name of that teacher, Sangeeta Chandra ma'am. She was the one who said, okay, challenge accepted. So I will take care of him, and I will ensure that he does it. So there was another Namika Kaushik ma'am. She and Sangeeta Chandra ma'am literally looked after Mahaksh and ensured that what kind of curricula he should do, what kind of studies he should do. And there was a sea change in the child once that acceptance came.
Smile. इधर मत देखना. Smile. Smile. Nice. Nice. Nice that
She's asking you, कि when Mama teaches you, you enjoy studying with Mama?
Yes,
Why do you enjoy studying with Mama?
because she loves me a lot.